हॅलो स्टुडंट, आपण लिव्हिंग वर्ड हा कन्सेप्ट आपण शिकत आहोत. लिव्हिंग वर्ड्समध्ये आपण लिव्हिंग बिईंगचे वेगवेगळे कॅरेक्टर्स अभ्यासत आहोत. फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर्स आपण ग्रोथ स्टडी केला, सेकंड कॅरेक्टर्स आपण रिप्रोडक्शन स्टडी केला, थर्ड कॅरेक्टर्स आपण मेटाबॉलिझम स्टडी केला. आणि याच्यामध्ये आपण लिव्हिंग बिईंगचे डेफिनेट कॅरेक्टर शोधत आहोत. मीन्स दॅट काइंड्स ऑफ द कॅरेक्टर प्रेझेंट इन टू द लिव्हिंग बिईंग्स. ओके, टुडे we discuss about the one more characters of the living beings, that is the level of the biological organization. One thing, मी तुम्हाला अगदी सुरुवातीला एक कन्सेप्ट असा सांगितला होता, the living and the non-living both are the made up of or the both consist of the different kinds of the chemicals. The consider that kinds of the chemicals are the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and the nitrogen. The carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and the nitrogen is a presence into the living beings and is also present into the non-living beings. But in case of the living beings, these chemicals combines with each other. For example, when the one carbon combines with the two molecules of the oxygen, that is the formations of the CO2. For example, the hydrogen is a combines with the oxygen, that means the two molecules of the hydrogen is a combines with one molecule of the oxygen. There is a production of the H2O. Means the when these chemical combines, there is the formations of the simple inorganic substances or the simple inorganic compounds. That is the simple inorganic compounds. Okay? And when these simple inorganic compounds combines with each other, for example, that is the CO2, when the H2, when they are the combines with each other by the combinations of this, that's are the production of the glucose. This is the C6H12O6. This is the organic compound. And the सेम काइंड्स, म्हणजे जसं इथं ग्लुकोज तयार झालंय तसे हे वेगवेगळे केमिकल ज्यावेळेस एकत्र येतात त्याच्यापासून वेगवेगळे ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड तयार होत असतात. दिस इज द ग्लुकोज, द सम आर द अमिनो ऍसिड, द सम आर द फॅटी ऍसिड. That kinds of the simple organic compounds are produced by the combinations of these chemicals. And these simple organic compounds, they are the combines to form the complex organic compounds, and the complex organic compounds produce protoplasm of cell. They produce the protoplasm of the cell. Means, look at this. How to the cell is produced? Consider that is the inorganic compound. It produce simple organic compound simple organic compound produce complex organic compound, and the complex organic compound it produce protoplasm, and from the protoplasm that is the formations of the cell. Okay, this is the biological organization. The next kinds of the organization is found in case of the living beings. That kinds of the organization is called the cellular level organization. Cellular level organization. आता लक्षात घ्या, मी तुम्हाला आताच सांगितलं की सेल कशी तयार होईल. वेगवेगळे केमिकल एकत्र आले, प्रोटोप्लाझम तयार होईल, प्रोटोप्लाझम पासून सेल तयार होईल. मग आता सेल कशाला म्हणता येईल आपल्याला? ऍक्च्युली द सेल इज बेसिक युनिट ऑफ लाईफ. किंवा त्याला आपण दुसरा शब्द वापरू, द सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट unit of the life. The unicellular organisms is a consist of the single cell, and the multicellular organisms are made up of the many cells. This is the basic unit of the life. There is the cells. The second kinds of the organization, that's of the organization is the tissue level organization. मग आता टिश्यूची डेफिनेशन आपल्याला 10वी पर्यंत माहिती. द ग्रुप ऑफ सेल इज कॉल्ड द टिश्यू. द कन्सिडर दॅट द सिमिलर or dissimilar group of cell having common origin and function is called tissue. Look at the definitions, ekda clear kara. The similar or the dissimilar group of the cell having the common origin and the functions. They are having the common origin, they are having the common function, that's are called the tissue. For example, in case of the plant, the xylem is the tissue. That is the tissue. That kinds of the tissue is made up of the different kinds of the cell. The consider that it consists of the different cell. That cells is the vessels, tracheids, fibers, and parenchyma. And the parenchyma. There is the different types of the cell present into the xylems. But that all cell perform the common kinds of the functions. मग आता काय फंक्शन्स आहे यांचं? व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द झायलम? आपण जनरली झायलमला शब्द वापरतो. झायलम इज द वाटर अँड मिनरल conducting tissue in plant. Into the plant, the xylem conduct the water and the minerals. That means they perform the common kinds of the function, and the tissues, they are the made up of the cells. लक्षात ठेवा, cell is the basic unit of the life. From cell, the group of the cell, the productions of the tissue. The next kinds of the organization is the organ level organization. This is the next organ level organization. Mr. When different tissues organize to form the organs. For example, into the plant, मीन्स बघा अगोदर आपण काय म्हणालो, डिफरंट टिश्यू ऑर्गनाइज टू फॉर्म organ. Look at this into the plant. For example, the one kinds of the tissue that is the xylem, second tissue that is the phloem, the third kinds of the tissue is the parenchyma, the fourth kind of the tissue is the chlorenchyma. These the tissues are the organized. From them there is the there is the productions of the one organ. That kinds of the organ is the leaf. This is called the organ level organization, and that organ is produced by the organizations of the different types of the tissues. The next kinds of the organization is the organ system level. Organ system level. The organ is from the organ systems. Means the organs are organized into the organ systems. For example, in case of the human beings or into the multicellular animals, the organ that is the brain, second organ is the spinal cord, and network of nerves is a produce the one organ system. Name of the organ system is the nervous system. Nervous system. बघा अगदी सुरुवातीपासून मी सांगतो तुम्हाला, the cell is the basic unit of the life. When cells are the organized, is a produce the tissues. When the tissues are the organized, is a produce organs. And when organs are organized, there is the productions of the organ systems. Okay, and these organ systems are produce the organism. Means the last, that is the organism level. Organism level. Look at this into the multicellular organisms. For example, human beings. Best example घ्यायचा. Into the human being there is the different kinds of the systems are present. For example, one system is the nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, there is the systems, one more endocrine system. And when these systems are interact and work together, that all kinds of the system is a produce organism. This is also called the individual. Is the individuals. This is the level of the organizations. Look at this. In case of the level of the organizations, आता आपण त्याला एक सिक्वेन्स मध्ये मांडूया. Consider that is the cell. Cell form tissue. Tissue form organ. Organ form organ system. And the organ system form organism. This is the लेवल ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन. मग आता एक विचार करू. दिस काइंड्स ऑफ लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन इज अ प्रेझेन्स into the non-living things? Not. This kinds of the level of organization is not a presence into the non-living things. That's why the level of organization